Hi there. Being an operations manager, I manage many customer forms, but there's one problem. Every form looks the same. With every submission titled the same, a lot of time gets wasted opening each form just to find which is the required form. A display mask is a label that contains data from form submissions. Let's see what display mask does. Helps label individual form submissions with unique data. Makes it easier to locate and identify specific forms. Allows customization. Since display masks show unique data from individual forms, using them can make it easier to locate and identify specific forms. Let's customize the display mask for this vehicle inspection form. In the new window, you'll have two ways to populate your field keys in the display mask. Under Search, locate and select a field from the list. It will automatically appear in the display mask box to the right. Or manually type your field keys in the text box surrounded by $sign. You can add a space or a dash to separate fields in your display mask. Display masks keep track of your submissions and make your data more organized and manageable. Add display masks to your forms and turn clutter into clarity.